How to cut and paste or move a file using VBA with 3 different methods. 1. With VBA tools. Use the keyword sub to create a procedure. Inside the procedure, use the keyword name to start the operation. Pass a first string parameter with the current location of the file. Pass a second string parameter with the new location of the file. Notice that we are separating the 2 parameters with the keyword as, not with commas. 2. With the Windows File System object. Use the keyword sub to create a procedure. Use the keywords dim and as to declare a variable of the type file system object. Use the keywords set and new to instantiate the object inside the variable. Use the variable to call the method moveFile. Pass a first string parameter with the current location of the file. Pass a second string parameter with the new location of the file. And use the keywords set and nothing to clean the computer's memory. 3. With Windows APIs. This method is faster and safer. On the top of the module, use the keyword declare to declare an API function. Don't forget the ptr save keyword. It's necessary for Windows 64 bits. Now with the keyword function, you will state the name of the function, and with the keyword lib, you will inform which library contains the function. In this case, the kernel 32 DLL. Now use the keyword alias to give a different local name to the function if you want to. This API will need 2 parameters, one with the current location of the file, and another string with the new location of the file. Now it's time to create a new procedure inside your module with the keyword sub. Inside the procedure, you will call the moveFile API function. Pass a first string parameter with the current location of the file. Pass a second string parameter with the new location to the file. And that's all for today. Till next time.